Comedian Samir Raina has finally broken silence on latent show row. He posted a story on his personal Instagram account and stated that he has removed all India's Got Latent videos from YouTube amid a raging controversy over YouTuber Ranveer Alabadia's controversial comments on his show. Meanwhile, Apurva Makhija and Ashish Chanchlani have given their statements to the police where they claim that the show is not scripted and the panelists as well as contestants on the show are asked to talk in normal language and in an open way. Amid backlash, Ranveer Alabadia, aka Beer Biceps, had tried to defuse the situation by issuing a video apology where he called his comment a lapse in judgment and that comedy is not his forte.
I really have no clue, but since he's been reprimanded by authorities, he's got an FIR, I'm sure. Then I read his apology also. What he did is something which I don't endorse at all. There has got to be limitations. There's got to be self-censorship also. Even if you've got, you talk of freedom of speech. Freedom of speech doesn't mean that you can talk things which are not socially acceptable.
वो प्रमोट नहीं कर सकते वल्गैरिटी को, क्योंकि हमारा देश दुनिया बहुत समझदार है। वो खुद को एक्सपोज करते हैं, खुद की मानसिक गंदगी को एक्सपोज करते हैं। और हमारा तो यही कि चाहे छोटा अभिनय करो चाहे बड़ा अभिनय करो, अभिनय हर किचन का होता है। मनोरंजन जो मन में खुशी दे दे, ब्लड सर्कुलेशन को अच्छा कर दे। और बोलते हैं कि बच्चा बूढ़ा नौजवान एक साथ बैठ के जिस मनोरंजन को देख के प्रफुल्लित हो जाए, मैं उसी को कला मानता हूं और उसी के दायरे में काम करने वाले को मैं कलाकार मानता हूं।
There has been a severe backlash over comments made by Ranveer Alabadia, who's also known as popularly known as Beer Biceps, who has a podcast of his own. When he'd gone on to a show, Samir Raina's show called India's Got Latent, he had made certain comments which has created a controversy, which has stirred a row. He had posted on his personal Instagram where he had issued an apology where he said that comedy is not his forte. Moreover, Samir Raina, the comedian whose show that Ranveer had gone on, has also issued an apology saying that he just wanted to make people laugh, and the video in which the comments had been made, the joke apparently that had been made, has also been taken down by Samir Raina. A lot of controversy has been raging on with people speaking against Ranveer Alabadia as well as Samir Raina and other panelists who were present on the show, but a lot of people have also backed all the comedians, saying that it's just comedy and it's not supposed to be taken at face value. Comedian Samir Raina has also broken silence on the latent show row, where he's posted on his story on his personal Instagram saying that India's Got Latent is just a show and he just wanted to make people laugh.